Hello students, today we are starting new chapter of grammar book, that is use of a and the, chapter 16. A and the means articles. What we are going to learn today about articles. There are three articles, use of a and the. In the previous classes, you have already learned a lot about them. Today again we will revise it. So dear students, tell me, what is the use of a? Where we can use article a? You have heard about consonant and vowels. So before consonant, for singular noun we use article a. कब यूज करते हैं आर्टिकल ए? बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट. कॉन्सोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं? इफ वी रिमूव वोवेल्स फ्रॉम इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स, रिमेनिंग लेटर्स आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सोनेंट्स. लाइक there are 25 English alphabet letters in English alphabet. सबको पता है ना? Which one? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All these are 25 letters in English alphabet. सबको पता है ना? नर्सरी से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. Okay, so there are 5 vowels in it. कौन से 5 vowels हो गए? First is A, E, I, O, and U. These are 5 vowels. ये जो सर्कल में है, these are 5 vowels, and remaining letters are called consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, L, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These remaining letters are called consonant. So before consonant, what we use? Article A. The words which are of consonant sound, जिनकी consonant से start हो रहे हैं और जिनकी sound, when we pronounce them, जिनकी sound भी consonant से हो, start हो, for them we use article A with singular noun. Singular noun. Plurals के साथ कभी भी articles use नहीं होते हैं. We can never use articles with plurals. आर्टिकल किसके साथ यूज होंगे? ओनली सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ. सो क्लियर अबाउट इट. आर्टिकल ए का यूज होता है बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड्स और कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड वर्ड्स विथ सिंगुलर नाउन वी यूज आर्टिकल ए. नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स आर्टिकल एन. आर्टिकल एन कब यूज होता है? बिफोर वोवेल words or vowel sound words. Vowel sound words. अब vowels क्या होंगे? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. और जो भी words इन 5 vowels से start हो रहे हैं, उसके साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? आर्टिकल and with singular noun. So always you have to take care कि article only singular noun के साथ यूज होता है, plural के साथ नहीं. Like a book. There is only one book and B is consonant. That's why we are using A as article there. Here if we talk about elephant. It is starting with E, and E is what? E is vowel. So before vowel we have to use article N. Clear about these two articles? These are very simple. Only you have to take care whether the words are starting with consonant or consonant sound. You have to use article A. If the words are starting with vowel or vowel sound, then you have to use article N before similar nouns. Clear about these two? Dear students, write this in your notebook so that you can revise it again and again. Then we will move towards next article, that is use of the. Okay dear students, now move towards next article, use of the, where we can use article the, and it is the most important. आर्टिकल द का यूज हम कहाँ कर सकते हैं? We can use article the before the names of rivers, जितने भी rivers हैं, गंगा, यमुना, सरस्वती, ब्रह्मपुत्र, उन सभी के आगे क्या आएगा? आर्टिकल द. Before the names of newspapers, the Times of India. So newspaper के आगे भी क्या आएगा? The. Historical buildings, के पहले क्या आएगा? द ताजमहल, द कुतुब मीनार. सो जितनी भी हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स हैं उनके पहले भी क्या आएगा? आर्टिकल द. नेक्स्ट इज हॉली बुक्स, द गीता, द कुरान. हॉली बुक्स जितनी भी हैं उनके आगे आर्टिकल द का यूज होगा. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेन्स, before the names of trains, the शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस. ट्रेन के नेम के पहले भी आर्टिकल द यूज होगा. Before the names of ships, आर्टिकल द यूज होगा. Before the names of seas, the Arabian Sea, आर्टिकल द का यूज होगा. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप टिल हियर इट इज क्लियर टू यू. आर्टिकल द का यूज कहाँ कहाँ करना है? बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ रिवर्स, बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स, हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स, होली बुक्स, ट्रेन्स, शिप, सीज, इन सभी के नेम के आगे आर्टिकल द का यूज होगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग where we have to use article the. More is left, but you have to write down this in your notebook. Then I'll tell you another one. Okay. Next thing, article the का use और कहाँ होना है? Here it is first. Second thing, where to use article the with superlative degree. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री से पहले आर्टिकल द का यूज होगा. लाइक द यंगेस्ट son. So here youngest, est means it is superlative degree, or sorry, so before superlative degree, what we have to do? We have to use article the. So superlative degree से पहले कौन सा आर्टिकल आएगा? आर्टिकल the. The nouns which are only one, ऐसी चीजें जो वर्ड में only one है. For one thing, like the sun, the moon, only one है. The earth. So ऐसी चीजें जो ओनली वन है, इससे पहले कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज होगा? आर्टिकल द. क्लियर अबाउट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट यूज ऑफ आर्टिकल इज फॉर वन थिंग. The words like last, first and only, ऐसे वर्ड्स से पहले यूज होगा आर्टिकल द. हाउ? द फर्स्ट bench, क्या यूज किया हमने? द. The last row. So here these are the words last, first, only. उनसे पहले हमें क्या यूज करना है? आर्टिकल द. Clear about it? Next use of article the is the words which are again and again repeating in a paragraph. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं पैराग्राफ में. नाउन्स. फॉर दीज नाउन्स रिपीटेड नाउन्स, फॉर रिपीटेड नाउन्स वी हैव टू यूज आर्टिकल द. क्लियर अबाउट इट? सो आर्टिकल यूज द का यूज हम लोग कहाँ करेंगे? Before the names of rivers, newspapers, historical buildings, holy books, trains, ships and seas. Before superlative degree, we use article the. For the thing which is only one in the world, we use article the. The words like last, first, only, we use article the. And for the repeated noun in a paragraph, we use article the. I hope dear students till here it is clear to you. Now where not to use article the? कहाँ हमें article the का यूज नहीं करना है? कहाँ नहीं करना है? Before proper noun cannot use आर्टिकल द. नहीं यूज कर सकते. कहाँ नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं? बिफोर प्रॉपर नाउन. लाइक इफ आई से द अनीता, इट विल बी रॉन्ग. द अनीता नहीं होता. इफ आई से द रतलाम, then it will be wrong. द रतलाम नहीं होता. सो प्रॉपर नाउन से पहले हम लोग द आर्टिकल यूज नहीं कर सकते. ओके, आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. बिफोर, यस, वन मोर थिंग विच आई फॉरगेट टू टेल यू, वी कैन नॉट यूज आर्टिकल बिफोर अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स. कोई भी आर्टिकल हम अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते. आर्टिकल्स आर यूज फॉर ओनली काउंटेबल थिंग्स. अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स के लिए आर्टिकल्स यूज नहीं होंगे. लाइक द वाटर, इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, इफ वाटर वर्ड इज देयर इन अ पैराग्राफ, then we cannot use article the or any of the article. So I hope, dear students, till here it is clear to you where to use articles a and the. Now move towards the book. Open page number 41. Vowels and consonants. As we know that English alphabet ABCD till Z consists of 26 letters, or in 26 we say 5 जो है these are vowel and remaining 21 are consonant. For the words consonant and consonant sound word we use article A. For vowel and vowel sound word we use article N. Okay? And we cannot use article before uncountable noun. We have to use article only with the singular noun. So now move towards directly to the book exercise 42. Put a or an before the following nouns. First is window. Which article will come here? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll write all the words. Then we will do it. Okay, I'm writing all the words here. One minute. Here the word is rain, and here it is leaf. Next 5, army. Here no, it's astronaut. Astronaut. And 6, it is army. Next 7, it is lock. 8, it is uncle. 9, it is book. And 10, it is useless book. Okay, now do it. Window. It is starting with W, and W is consonant. That's why what we will use? Article A. A window. Or you can write it in capital letters. A window. Okay. Next come towards onion. It is starting with O, and sound which is coming, it is also of an vowel, of a vowel. That's why we will use article N. An onion. Okay. Here nail. Nail is na. Na. An. Nail. Consonant. So we have to use article A. Leaf. L. La. Consonant sound is coming and consonant is there. That's why we have to use article A. Astronaut. A is vowel, and before vowel what we have to use? We have to use article N. Okay. Next is army. Again it is starting with A, and A is vowel. That's why what we have to use? A and N. And army. Next is lock. L is consonant, and before consonant what we are going to use? Article A. Next is uncle. U. U is vowel. But bacha, we can use according to the words, we can use it as consonant and as vowel also. uncle. Which sound is coming? A. A. So here A sound is coming and A is vowel, U is also vowel. That's why we are using article am here. I'll tell you, ऐसे भी words हैं जो U से start हो रहे हैं, but here we cannot use article am. कैसे मैं बताती हूँ. Here book, it is starting with B and B sound is coming. That's why we are using article am. Now move towards the word useless. It is starting with U, but U is vowel. It is starting with U, but we cannot use article am here. क्यों use नहीं कर सकते बताओ? Because the sound which is coming, it is coming of consonant. Useless. Sound is coming. Or here, where we use article am, which sound is coming? Uncle. A sound is coming. That's why we are using article am here. But here sound is coming. Useless. And here is made up of Y. And Y is consonant. That's why we are using article A here. Understand my point? Dear students, so you have to take care that whether the words are starting with vowels or consonant, their sound should be of the same vowel or consonant. यदि sound different हो गया तो article भी change हो जाएगा. Here U letter is given, but the sound which is coming, that is of A. That's why we are using article am. Here again U letter is given, but the sound which is coming, it is of consonant. Useless. Sound which is made up of consonant. That's why we are using article A. So I hope dear students till here it is clear to you. Now do this book exercise in your book. Some of the words are remaining which we will do. First I am giving time to complete it. Okay, I hope you have completed it. Now move towards the rest of the words. That is 11. Interesting book. Interesting book. And E, both the sound and word, both are same. So what we have to use? We have to use article am. An interesting book. Next, 12th. It is an exercise book. I have already announced article. It is an exercise because it is starting with E, which is vowel, and sound is also coming off vowel. That's why we are using article am. 13. Here it is easy lesson. What will come here? E. Sound and letter both are same. That's why we are using article am. Next, 14. Here it is honest man. Dear students, here you can see the letter which is giving, it is H, and H is consonant, so we have to use article A. But we are not going to use article A. Why? Because the sound which is coming from the word is O. Honest. It is not honest. It is honest. O sound is coming. That's why we are using Clear? Because sound which is coming from the word is of vowel. That's why we are using article and here. So you have to take care of both the things. You have to see the letter also and you have to pronounce the word also. Okay? Next 15. Blank pair of socks. P. Both are consonants, so we have to use article A. Next 15. Here, wait. Honest man, a pair of shoes. Socks कर लिया हमने? Yes. 16. A blank watch. Watch, W is consonant, that's why we are using article A. Okay, 17. Here this Indian actor. Indian I is what? I is vowel, that's why we are using article N here. And the sound is coming off E. Next 18. Blank purse. Again P is consonant, sound is coming off consonant, that's why we are using article A. Next 19. Empty purse. Empty. A. It is starting with E and sound which is coming off A. Both are vowel, that's why we are using article N here. And the last is 20. It is starting with A, sound which is coming. It is also vowel, that's why we will use article N. So dear students, I hope these articles now you can do very well, because I have told you how to do it, where to use article A, N and the. Dear students, some of the book exercises are left, which is your homework. You try to complete it. If you find any difficulty, then in the next video, I'll tell you how to do it. Till then, dear students, bye and take care of yourself.